Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. The recipe that I'll be sharing you today is sweet and sour eggs. Yes, so this time we're going to bring your favorite egg to the next level. Are you interested about how to do it? Please keep on watching. Let's get on to the ingredients. Eggs, pineapple tidbits, bell peppers, white onions, carrots, tomato sauce, vinegar, sugar, all-purpose flour, and garlic. enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like and share. And for your suggestions or any recommendation, just type in below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that little bell so you will get notified every time we upload new video. And of course, like and follow us on our Facebook page. And you can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check out more recipes, you can visit our website, www.delishph.com. So I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.